By simply typing words, you can make an insane amount of money online. I know that sounds too good to be true, but if you just stick with me till the end of this video, I will break down everything you need to do step by step to make this actually happen for yourself. And after you set this up, you can just set it and forget it by leaving it on complete autopilot. This means that you can just sit back and let the money roll in for you. You also won't have to pay for anything or invest a single cent to do this strategy. You also won't be required to have any related skills or experience to do this. The only things you will need are your device, Wi-Fi, and the steps I'm about to go over right now. So please make sure you follow all of these steps and pay close attention to any and all bonus tips I'll be sharing along the way. I'll also be giving you something completely free which will help you a lot with this method. And if you watch this video till the end, I will share a special bonus tip with you as well. So before I break down the steps for you, I want to show you proof that this method actually works and that it will be worth your time. If you look here, you can see that people are being paid every single day using this website. And these people are from all over the world. You will also be able to select any payment option you'd like. So if you'd like to get paid with PayPal, that will definitely work for you. You could even get paid with Bitcoin, Payoneer, and many other payment methods. You can select any payment method you'd like and then withdraw your money every single day. So for step number 1, I'd like you to head over to youtube.com. And don't worry, you won't have to film any videos, post any videos, or even publish any videos at all. You won't have to show your face or film anything. So when you get to YouTube, just search for self-improvement videos like maybe talking about how to be more confident, how to lose weight, how to get stronger, and more. So as an example for this video, I'll just search how to be more confident. I will then see all of these videos related to confidence that are getting hundreds of thousands and even millions of views. So this just shows that there's a great deal of interest in self-confidence and any content related to that. This is a common problem most people would like to resolve, and that's a very healthy desire. So what you're going to do is actually help these people completely for free. And then on the back end, you'll be making a ton of money on complete autopilot. You won't be selling anything during this process, and you won't have to create these kinds of videos either. So what I'd like you to do is browse through a few of these videos and open them up in new tabs. So I'll click on this one as an example. After you click on it, I then want you to click on share right here, then click copy right here to copy the video URL link. Next, for step 2, after you've copied that link, I want you to head over to this website called uii.io. This website will allow you to get paid by every visitor who visits your URLs. So whenever someone clicks on your link, you will get paid through this website. So the way it works is you sign up for a free account, you paste your long link in here, uii.io will shorten that link for you, and whenever someone clicks on your shortened link, you will earn money. And the reason why you will earn money from this is because when someone clicks on your shortened link, they are first sent to a landing page for ads. They'll be shown a few ads which they can choose to skip, then they can go to the website. So basically uii.io will be splitting all of the ad revenue with you, which is a really clever process. And the reason I want to show you this website instead of other similar websites is because it's really good and works very well. I tested it out and the payout is really high. They actually claim that they have the highest payout rates themselves. So to get started on this site, just click this button up here that says sign up free and enter some basic personal information like a username, email, password confirmation. Check this box saying you agree to their terms of use and privacy policy. Then click this box that says register. After you've created your new account, it should look like this. This is your main dashboard where you can track your total views, earnings, clicks, and here on the left-hand side of the page, you'll be able to withdraw your money. So after you've earned enough, you will be able to withdraw your money and spend it however you'd like. And since I have a brand new account here, it will say $0 here. So now let me show you how you can withdraw your money and get paid. I want you to click on this profile button at the top right corner, then click profile right here. That will take you to this page where you will want to add your billing address and choose your withdrawal method. And you have 3 options you can choose from. There's PayPal, Payeer, and Payoneer. So just select one that you prefer. Next, you will want to add your withdrawal account info. It will say down here what exactly you will need to add depending on which payment method you chose. And then right here it shows that you will need to earn a minimum of $5 in order to withdraw your earnings for each payment method. So after you've added all of your payment info on this page, you can click submit. So now for the next step, I want you to click here where it says new shortened link so you can shorten the URL. Whenever you share a long URL link, it typically looks suspicious and untrustworthy, which is why shortening your link will result in more people clicking the link. So just paste your long URL link you copied from step 1 into this box here. After that, just click shorten. After you've done that, you will then get this custom shortened URL. Whenever someone clicks this link, you will get paid. And every 1,000 clicks will allow you to get paid. And next I will show you this website that you can use for free so you can advertise these links to millions of people on a daily basis. And all you need to do is set this up once by following every step in this video. So make sure you stick with me until the end so you know how to do this properly. So before I show you that platform, I need you to go to this website first called Linktree. The URL will be linktr.ee. This website is a landing page builder and it's completely free to use. This will enable you to add multiple links, which will allow you to maximize your results. You'll see very shortly how this will work. So head over to this website, then click here where it says sign up free to create your free account. First, you'll need to create a username here, then add your email address and click create account. Next, just create a password and click continue. After that, just add your name, click continue, select any random category here, it doesn't matter which one you pick. Then click continue. You'll then want to select the free plan here, then click get free down here. After that, your account will be created. Just click continue to my Linktree to access your new account. Next, you'll want to verify your account by going to the email you used to sign up with, opening the email that was sent by Linktree, then clicking the button that says verify email. Then you can sign into your account and you will now be able to use it. This is what your main page should look like. This phone template here is what your landing page will look like. Then up here is your link that will send people to your landing page here. And on your landing page, you will be hosting several different links that will allow you to make money on complete autopilot. And I'll show you exactly how that works so you can do it yourself. I know you might be confused right now, but I promise if you stick with me, it will all make sense. So the next thing I want you to do is click add link right here and title the name of the YouTube video from step 1. So I'll just go back to that YouTube video I selected, copy the title, then come back to Linktree and paste the title right here. Then I will go back to uii.io, copy the shortened link I created from the YouTube video I selected, go back to Linktree, then paste my shortened link right here. So now you can see on my landing page that whenever someone goes to my landing page, they will be able to click this button here, which will redirect them to the YouTube video to learn how to improve their confidence. They will watch the video, be satisfied because they will get value and learn from it, then I will also be satisfied because I will get paid by uii.io, and I will earn money after every click. So the more links you add to your landing page, the more money you will make because you will have more options to get more clicks. So I will head back over to YouTube, find more videos, and repeat the same process I just showed you. And I strongly encourage you to do the same. Open a YouTube video, click share right here, copy the video URL, go back to uii.io, paste the URL in this box here, click shorten, then copy your new shortened URL, head back to Linktree, click on add link, paste your URL here, and just repeat this process until you have several different links in your landing page. After you've added several links to your landing page, you can copy the link to your landing page here. Whenever someone clicks on this link, they will be sent to this page here. Whenever someone clicks on any of these links, I will get paid after every click. Now all we need to do is drive traffic to our landing page to get people to click on our links. And like I mentioned at the beginning of this video, I want to now give you something for free that will help you with this money-making method. I have prepared an entire script that you can copy yourself completely for free so I can really help you achieve results with this money-making method. So in this script, I talk more about confidence, how to achieve it, and more. It's packed with value that people will definitely be able to benefit from. But something important I added in here is a section that says top 3 videos to help improve your confidence. Right below that, you can add your Linktree link to your landing page. Just go to Linktree, copy your landing page link here, then paste it right here in your script. So now you can see when someone reads this article, they will eventually see this section here where they can watch 3 videos to help improve their confidence. They are likely to click on this because that's exactly what they would like to improve on. They will then be sent to your landing page with all of your links, and every time they click on one, you will get paid. It's a really effective strategy and works super well. If you'd like to create your own script, I will quickly show you a way to do so without you actually having to write it yourself. First, just go to Google, search how to be more confident, select any article of your choosing that has good quality content. After you've selected an article, open up another tab and go to quillbot.com. What you will then do is just copy each section from this article and paste it into Quillbot, then click paraphrase here to get new original text. This is how you can create your very own article about improving one's confidence and share it online without plagiarizing someone else's work. And you can only use so many characters at a time here in Quillbot, so you'll just need to copy about 100 characters or so at a time, paste it in here, click paraphrase, copy this new text here, then paste that into a Google document. Just repeat this until you have completed the entire article. Another tip I recommend is that you add your Linktree link in multiple places throughout your script. Otherwise, people might miss the link and never click on it. So now pay attention as I will show you where you can share this script. The next website I'd like you to go to is one called slideshare.net. Millions of people from all over the world will come to this website to read articles about several different topics. And there are tons of articles on here that are about confidence and self-improvement. And I want to show you that on SimilarWeb, you can see that over 82 million people visit this website. That's an insane amount of traffic. And you can share your article in here completely for free for people to read themselves. This means you have the potential of reaching millions of people using this website. So obviously, you are more likely not going to get millions of people to open your article and click on your links, but it will give you an idea of how many clicks you can actually get completely for free when using this website. So let me show you. If I just type in confidence right here and click search, you can see that there are a bunch of people sharing these types of articles already. So many people want to read about this and learn more. So to do this yourself, just click on the button that says sign up here, create a free account, then click upload right here and upload your file. Then you can publish it on this website for people to click on and view. Another thing I'd like to mention is that you don't need to use videos on confidence and self-improvement. It can literally be about anything that a lot of people might be interested in. And now, as promised, since you watched this entire video till the end, I'd like to share with you a special bonus tip. But before I do, please subscribe to Cashflow Worldwide if you haven't already to learn about more ways to make money online. I want to show you another amazing free traffic source that you can use that might get your results even faster than slideshare.net. But that doesn't mean you have to choose one or the other. I encourage you to use both traffic sources. So I want you to head over to Quora.com. This is a great website that has millions of online forums and group discussions with very engaged people. So just sign up for an account by clicking here, and after you've created an account, just search confidence in the search bar and click enter. Next, just scroll down and click on any of these forums about improving one's self-confidence. These are questions people have asked, so they are actively looking for answers to their questions. This is perfect because you can just open these questions, click answer right here, then paste your script and post it. And this will become completely passive because your answer will stay in here indefinitely. So that brings us to the end of today's video. If you'd like to watch another video on how to make money online, click this video right here.